Hi, Betty.
Hi, Janet. How are you? Have you done all your Christmas shopping?
I'm almost there. I have a few more online things that are supposed to be delivered, however that goes. You know how delivery is nowadays. But yeah, I've done almost all of it. So I'm very happy. How about you?
Well, I've pretty much done. People in my neighborhood was beginning to think I was having an affair with the three delivery guys. They were coming quite often, but and I'm going to tell you, Amazon Smile is how I've been shopping, and UAH gets the benefit.
Amazon Smile. I do Amazon, but
Yes.
what's Amazon Smile?
Well, all you have to do is you go to share.amazon.com.
Oh, hang on
and
just a
then
minute. Let me pull up my screen here and you can walk me through it.
Yeah, right. I can, but
if you don't mind, do you mind?
I will try.
So you said smile.amazon.com.
Amazon.com.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
And then you go
and that's my account.
Yep.
So it lets me sign into my Amazon account.
Right.
And then get started. Is that what I should do?
Well, you have to pick your charity.
Okay.
And there will be, you can let's
see.
It's right here. Enter your charity. All you have to do is like hit UAH and it should come up. It may give you various but UAH is ours. So
there, Osher Lifelong Learning Institute.
Exactly.
And I just
and you select it. And then you start. Yes, you have to.
And then you always go to Smile.
Right. It should automatically change your account to Amazon Smile. Your little icon should say Amazon Smile.
Yes, it does. So how does Ollie get the money for that? Do they do like a percentage or something?
There is a percentage. I don't know exactly what the percentage is, but they get a percentage. And in your account, you can go to the little pancakes on the right-hand lower side and hit that and scroll down to the bottom.
Oh, you're talking about on the app on your phone?
Yes, on the app on my phone.
Too. Okay.
And then you can click Amazon Smile.
Okay, so the pancakes on the bottom. And then you go to settings. Oh yeah, I see Amazon Smile.
Amazon Smile. And then it'll show you that that's the charity that you donate to.
Right.
And make sure that your mobile app is on so that you're generating donations.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
If it says on, and then you can also look down below at your Amazon Smile impact, and it will tell you how much what you've generated throughout the year. Well, and usually at the end of the year or sometime during the year, they will send you a little email telling how much money was collected for that during the year, for your charity during the year.
Right now I see where Ollie at UAH has received, as of November of 2021, $390. Just by a
So if we get, and we have very few people that know about this. So if we get people, a lot of Ollie members, I mean, every little thing you buy adds up. A few cents here, a few cents there. That can make an impact on our, bottom line and things we get to do.
Right. Well, that's great. Thank you, Betty. Now I'm so excited. Now I'll definitely finish my shopping.
Good.